Let's talk about the hottest new development in AI right now, which is Manus. Developed by the Chinese startup Monica, Manus is already generating buzz across the internet on social media platforms like X and YouTube. Described by early adopters as a general AI agent, it's a multi-agent collaboration model with different sub-agents handling planning, execution, and verification. I've looked into several experiences that showcase Manus handling different tasks, and today I'll explain how to access Manus, compare its technology with competing models, share some benchmark data, and illustrate its performance on real-world tasks. As far as access is concerned, Manus is currently available by invitation only, so you can actually go to their website manus.im and click on Try Manus. So it was launched on March 6, 2025, and the site explains the invite-only process. Welcome to Manus. We are currently in private beta. To get started, please enter your invitation code. Since you don't have an invitation code, you can click on apply for access. So over here you can request an invitation to Manus, share your email and tell them how you're going to use it. So I've entered my email over here and I've entered that I'm going to use Manus to build mobile and web apps with Flutter, and then you can click on submit request. You get the thanks page which says thanks for your interest in Manus and we've received your request and will review it soon. Once approved, we will send a notification to your email ID. So let's see how this compares to other models like O3 Mini High from OpenAI and Claude Sonnet. So one thing is that it is cited as the first general AI agent, and their founders consider it potentially a glimpse into artificial general intelligence. According to early reports, Manus has excelled on the GAIA benchmark, outperforming models like OpenAI's deep research. Its impressive performance on tasks that require versatile reasoning and execution is highlighted, and with that, it's becoming one of the most impressive and popular general AI agents for anyone to use. So what Manus might do is that it might take a multi-agent approach where you actually give it a task. So one sub-agent might do the planning, the another one might do the execution, and another one might do the verification. However, we don't know exactly what's going on behind the hood. Each of the Manus sessions has its own computer, as you can see over here. So you can actually give it a task and it actually then runs the task and shows the output on a window over here. You can actually leave the screen also and you'll see the response once you log back in. So I think this is promising because it may well improve scalability and robustness, especially when tracking complex multi-step tasks, and it represents an important step towards the broader goal of AGI. So this is essentially autonomous task execution, and once you give it a task like, let's say screen resumes, it's going to do all things it needs for that, like unzip files and then load these resumes, go through them, get a list of to-dos, and then actually package its results in a well-formatted report and present to you. And this does it all in the cloud on a computer of its own, so you don't actually need to keep your browser window open. You can actually leave your computer and whenever you come back, you'll have the results waiting for you. It'll also show you real time what it's trying to do and what are the steps it's taking. And like other AI systems, Manus can remember relevant facts, tips, and how to perform certain skills, and it'll recall this relevant knowledge automatically. And this is basically autonomous learning or personalized learning. And you might know this as memory from the ChatGPT feature. Just one more thing, given that Manus has its own computer, it can actually create files as well for you. And yes, it's really true that you can actually leave it to Manus. And some of the example tasks that people have done through this is real estate listings, dashboard building, financial analysis, trip planning, and polished reporting. These tasks basically underscore Manus's potential to handle diverse real-world challenges. So the excitement around Manus is being compared to earlier AI milestones. Think like the GPT moment or the DeepSeek moment, and global coverage has been extensive. So why is that? Because there are several use cases that they actually feature on their website. You can have a look at that. And this has had a lot of hype in the news recently. It's trending on X, it's trending on YouTube, and there's a lot of news coverage which you can actually search and look for yourself. For China, Manus is seen as a continuation of the country's recent breakthroughs in AI following DeepSeek announcements in January 2025, and many experts view it as a step towards AGI. Manus is one of the most exciting AI developments on the horizon. Its innovative multi-agent design differentiates it from other models, and early benchmarks and user demonstrations are very promising. I'm eagerly awaiting my invite and would love to hear your thoughts thoughts in the comments. Do you see Manus as the next major leap towards AGI? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.